we arrive at one of the most breathtaking coastlines on Earth. Welcome to the Amalfi Coast. Stretching along southern Italy's coastline, the Amalfi Coast is famous for dramatic cliffs, colorful villages, and endless sea views. Charming towns like Positano and Amalfi cling to steep mountainsides, creating postcard-perfect scenery. Winding roads reveal spectacular viewpoints at every turn, where mountains plunge directly into the sparkling Mediterranean. The Amalfi Coast feels like Italy at its most magical.